So here's how you can see the iPhone purchase data. Let me show you how it works. If you are new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Okay, so what you have to do at first is either go to the settings and check out the battery situation, because if you go to the battery, you're going to see the battery health, and there you'll see when the battery itself has been manufactured and also when it was used for the first time. It doesn't give you the exact date, but it gives you month and the year. And this is kind of useful because you can see the purchase date kind of correlates with the first use of the phone, because you'll be able to see when it was first time being the battery has been used for the first time. That is when it's been first turned on, right? So that is one way of checking that. On the other hand, you can also go to the settings, check the general section and about, where you'll be able to find the serial number. So you can hold it down on it and copy it. Then move over to Safari, where you can look up checkcoverage.apple.com. Or you can also type that into the search, right, and find it there. But it is basically an Apple's website where you can paste the serial number and see exactly when the phone has been purchased. So it's going to give you the exact date, and you'll be able to see it right there because, this is the first moment from which the warranty begins, or the Apple Care, and you'll be able to see when the warranty expires and when the coverage started, basically. But it also literally tells you that this is the date of purchase, and that's how you can know it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe on this video if it worked, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot. See you soon.